Alright guys, what's up? Sorry I haven't been updating as frequently as I have been every Tuesday, so I missed one or two Tuesdays. But I want to kind of put this out here and kind of, mostly for me, this is kind of a selfish thing, but I'm just at least kind of doing some making sure that I'm doing this, because otherwise it'd be terrible. So, the idea for this concept is essentially, I'm trying to redo my portfolio, and it's going to include a lot of everything, because I kind of have a different learning stuff new every day, all the time, so that's kind of me. So what it's going to be, instead of doing a normal portfolio website like everybody does, my idea was to create a museum that will essentially showcase all of my stuff. That'll be websites, that'll be 3D design, animation, modeling, and short films, and also website stuff. So doing all of that, but putting it in an environment that you can walk around in, and it'll be mobile first by the time it's all done. It'll just be like a static web page. So just wanted to kind of do the very first update, because I'm expecting this project to be about the length of the summer. So currently, I got started a couple of weeks ago, so I do at least have something, and it's not just like, hey guys, I'm starting. So this is the main museum right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just turn on rendered mode. So this is going to be all inside of Blender's Eevee render engine. So I'm just going to go into preferences and make sure that I have gravity turned on for this particular application. Other times it's not useful, but for this is ideal. So what I'm going to do is essentially have the user load into this world, and they'll be essentially standing in front of a frame like this, and it'll be me explaining, hey guys, welcome to the museum. This is the About Me section, and kind of where I grew up and where I went to school and that kind of stuff. And so that's going to be like little maps of where I've been, and like diplomas and stuff of my schooling and whatever. And then so as you kind of enter into the museum here, I want to have like a centerpiece that's like a big giant display. I've got some plants and some a bench, you know, and some other cool kind of stuff. And as you walk in, I want it to be kind of like an inside-outside type of courtyard type of feel. And then once you kind of like go, you can wander around and get lost in here, but every little exhibit is going to be a portfolio piece. So whether it's a website or an animated short film or like some kind of project, whatever I did, whatever cool thing, whatever. And then so I just this morning I kind of finished out the main marquee for the theater, and that's going to be playing all the short films and stuff that I've worked on since 2012. So I'm gonna build out like the little glass with the hole, you know, as if you're gonna order tickets and stuff. And then I'm thinking about putting like a little cafe with some chairs and stuff, and then kind of have every section of the museum be like a little part of just me and my personality and places I've been and stuff that inspires me. So this is kind of the giant project that I've started, and that's pretty much where I am right now. I'm going to be posting updates as we go along, but for now, here's just a little bit of a recap of how I got here, and then hopefully I can start updating on a weekly basis, just kind of catching everybody up on where I am and where I'm headed. So hopefully this will be released live on the internet, hopefully by, I'm gonna say, a loose deadline of like end of the year. So here we go, and hope you guys like it. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one. This one is kind of cool. So this is update number 1 of who knows how many, and catch you guys later.
Colorblind for all my life, and they kept painting rainbows. I'm colorblind, it's black and white. It's seems it will remain. And you've been colorblind for all your life, too scared to even say so. We're colorblind, it's black and white, it seems it will remain so. So what they say, what colors falling out of line, they don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. All I know is we're here, and they took us somewhere. So what they say, we're colors falling out of line, they don't know the two of us are colorblind. All I know is we're here, and they took us somewhere. So what they say, we're colors falling out of line, they don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.